Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an energy boosting Ragi Malt milkshake recipe. No banana, no dairy milk, no refined sugar. Ideal as a healthy energy boosting milkshake for the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1.5 tablespoons sprouted ragi flour. The reason why I'm using sprouted ragi flour is that once ragi is sprouted, the vitamin C levels tends to increase and leads to easy absorption of iron into the bloodstream. Add in 1/4 cup water and give this a good mix. Ragi or finger millet is a whole grain and it is completely gluten free. It's rich in fiber and the high fiber helps in keeping you feel fuller for a longer time. Thus it helps in weight loss and weight management. Ragi is packed with good carbs, calcium, amino acids and vitamin D. Into a saucepan, I'm adding in 1 cup of water. Once the water is warm, I'm adding in the ragi and stir it with a spoon so that there are no lumps and bring this to a boil. And once it boils, give it a stir and turn off the flame. You can make ahead this and cool down completely, and then you can refrigerate it and it will stay good for a couple of days. It's an ideal way to meal prep. While the ragi mix is still warm, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon raw cacao powder and give it a good mix, and I'm allowing it to cool down completely. I have already soaked overnight 8 to 10 almonds. Now the reason why you need to soak almonds is to help release the phytic acid content in almonds. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors which may cause digestive issues to some people. So I always prefer to soak the almonds and then peel the skin and then use it. Ragi is one of the very few natural sources of vitamin D. Hence, an addition of a good source of healthy fat like almonds is ideal for better assimilation of vitamin D, which is a fat-soluble vitamin. Instead of almonds, you can use any nut of your choice, like maybe cashew nut, peanuts, or even walnuts. I have also soaked 1 fig overnight. I'll be discarding the water and using the soaked fig. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in the cooled ragi mix. Into the pan, I'm adding in 1/2 cup water and I'm washing down the residue and adding it into the blender jar. Add in the overnight soaked and peeled almonds. Overnight soaked fig, I'm tearing it into smaller pieces and adding it in. For extra sweetness, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. If you're not using soft medjool dates, then you may need to soak the dates a little and then add in 1 tablespoon chia seeds, a splash of vanilla extract for an added flavor. Instead of vanilla extract, you can use 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And now I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and blended well. Pour the blended chocolate flavored ragi malt into a serving glass. For an added crunch, I'm sprinkling in 1 teaspoon raw cacao nibs. This is entirely optional. For added sweetness, I'm drizzling in 1 teaspoon honey. This is also entirely optional. And my super healthy chocolate ragi malt is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy chocolate ragi milkshake and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.